एक आदमी आया, there is another person, philosopher Heraclitus. Heraclitus said everything is changing. Have you heard nobody can take bath in the same river twice? UPSC asked this as a essay. Who said it? Heraclitus. Heraclitus said that everything is changing. Everything is changing every moment. We are changing. You are the same you. 10 years back also you were, but you changed, right? When you entered the class and when you will leave the class, changed person. Tree is the same, but each tree is growing every moment and it is dying. Is there anything which is constant? Pythagoras पे आएंगे. For anything which is observable. We are not talking about abstract concepts. Anything which is observable. Tell me anything which is constant always. कुछ जो नहीं बदल रहा हो. Even universe is expanding. Everything is changing. You understand this? So he said only thing that is permanent is flux, change, or everything is in flux and everything is changing. सब कुछ बदल रहा है भाई, कुछ भी permanent नहीं है, हर चीज बदल रही है.